Now, let us look at dossier long. That in the activities on page 64, you have been using different parts of the verb jouer, which means to play. The infinitive jouer ends with in er and following a regular pattern shown here. So let us just look at the conjugated part of the verb. I remember we have said earlier that whenever we want to conjugate a regular verb, when I talk about regular verb, I mean ER verb, a verb that ends with the ER, with the exception of the verb to go, that is aller. All other ER verbs, when we conjugate them with the present tense, you'll agree to what we have here. So the first step that you do, you take your verb like jouer and you drop the ER at the end. Then when you drop the ER, you start fixing these yellow colored endings. So what remains after you drop the ER, we call that as the stem of the verb. And the other part that has been dropped is the radical of the verb. So after the radical has been dropped, what remains behind is the verb, is the stem, to which we add E, the first person. To the second person, we add ES. To the third person, that is il or L, we add an E. Remember, the stem is still the same. When you go to the first person plural, that is nous, we add ONS. When you go to the second person plural, we add EZ. And the last person plural, we add ENT. That is what you call conjugation. Remember, there is a present tense. And when we are doing the present tense, it can occur in two forms. We have what we call the present continuous or progressive tense and the present simple tense. That's all you see. You say that when you say je joue, it can mean I play or I am playing. So if the action is underway, we say you are conjugating it in the present continuous. I am playing, you are playing, he is playing, and so on and so forth. But if it is an action that you do quite often, so you may say that I play golf, I play tennis. You say je joue, then you are going to use the first person, I play, which we call the present simple tense. So basically, that is what you do to regular verbs, all of them, when you want to conjugate them with the present tense. I don't know whether I'm clear about this one or Wamboy.
Oui, c'est clair. Question is, how do I pronounce all of them? Joue, joue,
okay,
joue,
très bien. A very good observation. Now, the first three persons, that is je, tu, il, elle, and the last person, elle, they have the same pronunciation. That is joue, joue. Why? Because the moment you drop the ER and you put an E, it becomes joue. So the first three will be joue. And the last one, we had said earlier, we don't pronounce the NT. So it is just like the first one. So it still has the same pronunciation like joue. So it is joue, 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 and joue. It's only nous and vous that will change. Otherwise, all the others will have the same pronunciation, the first three and the last one. Any other question maybe?
Please pronounce the one for nous and vous.
Très bien. Nous jouons. Nous jouons. Yeah. Remember, whenever you have ON, it becomes like on sound. So that's why we are saying nous jouons and not nous jouons. Nous jouons and vous jouez. So for A is open, vous jouez. We can even read it together. Je joue, all of us.
Je joue.
Je joue.
Or tu joues.
Tu joues.
Il joue.
Elle joue.
Nous jouons.
Jouons.
Nous jouons.
Vous jouez.
Vous jouez.
Il joue.
Il joue.
Elle joue.
Elle joue.
Okay, très bien. That means if you look at the exercise that follows, non se read as this heading. Number 4.
Il joue bien.
Très bien. Il joue bien. On choisit le beau mot. Choisis le beau mot. That is, choose the right word.
Good.
For example, when you look at number 1, you can see we have been given 3 options, and we are supposed to choose one in regard to the case. Like when you see je, you automatically know that you must pick the first person from the options given. So kindly, Nancy, do the first one for us.
Je joue au hockey.
Good. That must be the first one, isn't it?
Oui.
It's already given in the example. So Beryl, numéro 2.
Tu joues beaucoup.
Yeah, tu joues beaucoup. So which joue?
The second one.
Très bien. Wamboy, numéro 3.
Ma fille joue dans sa chambre.
Très bien. Ma fille joue dans sa chambre. So which joue?
No, sorry, the second one. The second one.
Yes, the second one, because whenever you see like that person, it will always go like if it is ma fille, Marie, Pierre will pick that person singular. Or Nancy, numéro 4.
Nous jouons avec Pierre, maman.
Oui, très bien. Nous jouons avec Pierre, maman. So which one did you pick?
Au premier.
Oui, le premier, très bien. Au numéro 5, en Beryl.
Vous jouez au badminton.
Très bien, vous jouez au badminton. So quel joue?
The last one.
Très bien, avec OZ. Et Wamboy, numéro 6.
Il joue dans le jardin. Le jardin.
Très bien. Et très bien, il joue dans le jardin. Quel joue?
The third one.
Très bien. It is well done. Une question?
Merci beaucoup. Les mêmes phrases en anglais. Numéro 1, Nancy.
I play hockey.
Très bien. I play hockey. Je joue au hockey. Très bien. Numéro 2, one boy.
You play a lot.
You play a lot. Très bien. Tu joues beaucoup. Numéro 3, Beryl.
My daughter plays inside the bedroom.
Très, très bien. My daughter plays in her bedroom. Numéro 4, Nancy.
Nous jouons avec Pierre, maman. We are playing with Peter, mom.
Merci. Numéro 5, one boy.
Vous jouez au badminton. We are playing badminton.
What is nous?
We. So vous is you.
Oui.
Plural.
Oui. Are you playing badminton? Très bien. Are you playing badminton? Et enfin, numéro 6, Beryl.
Il joue dans le jardin. They are playing in the garden.
Très, très bien. Question?
Pas de question.